Hi, I'm Sean with Emassagechair, and this is the all-new Ceragem M10 Massage Chair in a box. Yep, some pretty big boxes. Before we get into the unboxing, let's talk about the delivery, because massage chairs are heavy, and for the Ceragem M10, we've got two boxes. The main body comes in a box that's 62 by 35 by 31 inches and weighs in at about 281 pounds. The leg rest arrives in the second box that's 25 by 25 by 26 inches, and that weighs in at about 83 pounds. Basically, this is not a lightweight delivery. There are generally three shipping options you can choose from with massage chairs. The first is curbside delivery, and this is generally the free option. This means they just drop it off at your doorstep or inside your garage, and well, that's it. I chose this method to see how tough it is, and I'll be honest, I should have gone with threshold, because moving a 281-pound box by yourself was definitely a character building moment. The second option is threshold, or called in-home delivery. They bring the boxes into your home and set them inside your entryway. If you don't have help, or you don't enjoy the idea of wrestling a refrigerator-sized box up into your home, well, this is the option that I and my back recommend. The third option is white glove. It's also called in-home delivery and assembly. With this option, make sure to plan for a couple extra days before it gets delivered. They bring everything inside, assemble the chair for you, and even set it up on the first floor. To get the main box inside, I had to turn it sideways just to get it through the doorway. So before delivery day, grab a tape measure and check your doorway width and make sure you can easily get it to where you want it. Also, move any rugs, shoes, dog toys, and backpacks out of the way. We're unboxing a luxury massage chair here and not trying to start an injury claim. And remember, keep the boxes. I know they're big, but if anything ever goes wrong, the original packaging is required for returns and exchanges. And if everything goes perfectly, well, your kids can have fun building a cardboard castle. Now that everything is inside, let's get to the fun part and let's open these up and check them out. All right, let's start with the main body. The first thing I did was cut the straps and slice the tape along the top. A sharp razor makes this part a lot easier. Just take your time and don't go too deep. Once the top opens, there's a cardboard panel. You can just pull that right out. Under that, you'll see layers of styrofoam and packaging that come out very easily. When we look down, you can already see the main body of the Ceragem M10 along with a box that has the tools, the manual, and the touchscreen with its mounting arm. Before removing the chair, check for any loose packaging around the edges. Most of it just lifts out. One thing I really like about the packaging is that the entire box can slide upward and off the chair. It's super convenient and also the perfect material for your kid's next cardboard castle project. Once the outer box is off, remove the styrofoam corner protectors and unwrap the plastic around the chair. Now, lifting the chair does take some care. It is heavy. But there is a very handy handle on the back that makes it a little easier. Just be mindful of your back when you lift. The good news is that there are wheels in the front, so once it's out of the box, that means it's easier to get into place. Now let's move on to the second box. But before you start this part, do yourself a favor and clean up the area. You'll feel better and your spouse will definitely thank you. For this box, cut the straps and open the top. And unlike the main box, there's no extra packaging on the top to remove. To get the leg rest out cleanly, I flipped the box upside down and slid the whole piece out. This way was less awkward than trying to lift it straight up. Remove the styrofoam, peel away the plastic, and now the leg rest is fully out and ready to go. And that's everything for the unboxing. In the next video, we'll assemble the Ceragem M10 and we'll get it ready for its very first power on and test session. So if you want to see how everything comes together, make sure to check out part 2. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for help to find the right massage chair for your home, reach out to the massage chair experts at Emassagechair.com. Thanks for watching.